I have no special talent. I am only passionately curious. Imagination is more important than knowledge. The only source of knowledge is experience. The true sign of intelligence is not knowledge but imagination. I have no special talent. I am only passionately curious. A person who never made a mistake never tried anything new. It will get you from A to B. Imagination will take you everywhere. In the middle of difficulty lies opportunity. The measure of intelligence is the ability to change. Education is what remains after one has forgotten what one has learned in school. Life is like riding a bicycle. To keep your balance, you must keep moving. Try not to become a man of success, but rather try to become a man of value. The important thing is not to stop questioning. Curiosity has its own reason for existence. Strive not to be a success, but rather to be of value. The only way to escape the corruptible effect of praise is to go on working. Imagination is everything. It is the preview of life's coming. Attractions. Anyone who has never made a mistake has never tried anything new. If you can't explain it simple, you don't understand it well enough. Learn from yesterday, live for today, hope for tomorrow. The important thing is not to stop questioning. Great spirits have always encountered violent opposition from mediocre minds. Peace cannot be kept by force. It can only be achieved by understanding. I am enough of an artist to draw freely upon my imagination. Intellectual growth should commence at birth and cease only at death. The difference between stupidity and genius is that genius has its limits. The world as we have created it is a process of our thinking. It cannot be changed without changing our thinking. The only thing that interferes with my learning is my education. Imagination is the highest form of research. It's not that I'm so smart. It's just that I stay with problems longer. Reality is merely an illusion, albeit a very persistent one. The value of a man should be seen in what he gives, and not in what he is able to receive. The only way to escape the personal corruption of praise is to go on working. Weakness of attitude become weakness of character. Few are those who see with their own eyes and feel with their own hearts. The world is a dangerous place to live, not because of the people who are evil, but because of the people who don't do anything about it. We cannot solve our problems with the same thinking we used when we created them. The hardest thing to understand in the world is the income tax. The most beautiful thing we can experience is the mysterious. It is the source of all true art and science. The important thing is to stop questioning. Curiosity has its own reason for existence. We should take care not to make the intellect our God. It has, of course, powerful muscles, but no personality. I am enough of an artist to draw freely upon my imagination. Imagination is more important than knowledge. Knowledge is limited. Imagination encircles the world. The significant problems we face cannot be solved at the same level of thinking we were at when we created them. The world as we have created it is a process of our thinking. It cannot be changed without changing our thinking. A true artist is not one who is inspired, but one who inspires others. The true value of a human being can be found in the degree to which he has attained liberation from the self. The intuitive mind is a sacred gift, and the rational mind is a faithful servant. We have created a society that honors the servant and has forgotten the gift. The world is a dangerous place to live, not because of the people who are evil, but because of the people who don't do anything about it. We cannot solve our problems with the same thinking we used when we created them. Education is what remains after one has forgotten what one has learned in school. The value of a man should be seen in what he gives and not in what he is able to receive. Peace cannot be kept by force. It can only be achieved by understanding. Great spirits have often encountered violent opposition from weak minds. Information is not knowledge. The only true wisdom is in knowing you know nothing. The difference between stupidity and genius is that genius has its limits.